Alright, let's go back here. Nakita nyo dito, new lead, qualified leads, send contract 1. Wala pa tayong new lead dito ah. Walang lead, blanco. Oh, magic, magic. Oh, wala kayong nakikita dito. Okay. Next thing we're gonna do is pupunta tayo sa form. Mag-fill up tayo ng form. Okay? So for this one, let's just say I'm gonna put my wife's name and email address. Jen. Oh, ayan. Jen Bailio. Phone number niya is 0949 123 78 1234789. O, kunwari lang yan. Yan siya, Jen Bailio. Email address is jenbailio1@gmail.com. Siyempre, tick natin yung box. Tick natin to. And submit. And what do you see? Thank you for filling up the form. Yep. Punta na tayo ngayon dun sa opportunities. Silipin natin. Meron na bang laman or wala pa? Ayan yun. Diba? Sa opportunities. Uy, Matic! Opportunity source is buyer form 7, Jen Bailio. Does it make sense mga boss? So nakatag na ngayon si Jen. Nasa opportunities na siya. Kanina wala to, 'di ba? O magic, sumulpot na. Meron na siya. Jen Bailio. Goods na tayo. Let's try to take a look sa contacts. Pupunta ako sa contacts ha. Hold on. Bear with me. Pupunta tayo sa contacts. Hilipin natin si Jen Bailio kung nakatag ba siya o hindi. Kasi importante yon. Properly tag ba siya? Jen Bailio. Uy, buyer 7, nakatag na siya. Di ba? Ito yung 0949 kanina email address niya. So, goods po tayo doon. Okay? Nakatag na siya. Alam mo, pag nakita mo ang Jen Bailio, buyers talaga siya. Okay? Nasa buyer 7 form yung sinagutan niya. Does it make sense? Now, I'm gonna go ahead. Okay? Let me double check on this one. Okay. Pupunta tayo sa email address ni Mrs. Silipin natin kung meron ba siyang na-receive na email. Ayun, kay Jen Bailio. Silipin natin. Uy, may message. Ian of SMDC team. Are you seeing this? May message po siya. So, pindutin natin. Pindutin natin tong part na to. Hi Jen, thanks for signing up. We'll send you every week the hottest property listings. We'll keep you posted at your service, Ian of SMDC team. So there you go. Nakita nyo? Paano nagko-connect yung pinagsasabi ko kanina? Like, let me go back here. Nakita mo na ngayon how it works. Nagdugtong-dugtong na, gumagana na from opportunity. Tapos, gumawa tayo ng form. Pinil upan natin ng form. Gumawa tayo ng workflow. And then, may tag tayong ginawa. So, that's it. At least may idea na kayo ngayon. You can do that for any client, kahit anong niche. Basta naiintindihan mo lang yung basic concept. Magkakadugtong yan, yung mga opportunity, yung form, yung workflow, your tag. Siyempre, basic lang muna yung tinuro ko sa inyo. All right, but if you'd be interested to learn more about it, then you can join batch 2 for Pinoy GHL Academy. Okay? So there you go. And I hope you've learned something new. Pwede mong ma-apply kasi maraming clients ngayon naghahanap ng GHL experts. Alam mo 'yan, 'di ba? In demand siya ngayon. Para siyang SMM na sobrang in demand ngayon. So, wala kang no choice, no? So, wala kang no choice. So, you have to learn GHL. All right? But I hope you enjoy the training right now, and I'll see you again on the next video. So, you have a good one. Thank you.